Hello and welcome Java learners. It's great to have you back as we continue our journey through the Java collection framework. Today we are going to explore something exciting, sets. Picture sets as special boxes where every item is different, no repetition allowed. We will look at the three types of sets: hash set, tree set and linked hash set. By the end of this video you will be a set expert. So let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at how sets found their way into Java. Sets become part of a Java collection framework introduced in Java 1.2. This framework simplified data handling. Set offered uniqueness, no repetition of element, a fresh concept to avoid confusion. The foundation is the set interface defining key behaviors. Implementation like hash set, tree set and linked hash set followed. Sets for quick check, tree for order, linked hash set for both. Hash set where everything is unique. Imagine you have a magical box called hash set. This box can only hold different things. It's like collecting your favorite toys. You won't want the same toy twice, right? That's what hash set does. It keeps things unique. Think of it this way. If you are collecting toys, hash set ensure each toy you put in a one of a kind. Let's look at a simple code snippet to understand hash set better. Set string unique colors is equal to new hash set. Here we are taking the reference of set and give the reference to the hash set, and I am adding the value with add method, and the output is like that. Order can maybe anything in hash set. Tree set keep thing in order. Next up is tree set. Imagine you are arranging your collection like books from the smallest to the largest. Tree set does that for you. It keeps things in order. Think of it like arranging numbers, putting them in order from the smallest to the biggest. Tree set takes care of this for you. Here's code snippet to visualize tree set in action. Set integer order number is equal to new tree set, and I am adding some numbers here, and you can write tree set at first also at the place of set, and when you print this, then this is a sorted order in tree set. Linked hash set remembering the order. Now let's meet linked hash set. This is like your own list where you remember the order for things. It's like managing a to-do list. You want to remember tasks in the order you wrote them. Imagine you are making a list of tasks for the day. Linked hash set ensure you remember them in a exact order you listed. Check out the code's example to see linked hash set at work. Set string task list is equal to new hash set, and I am adding some task in task set. Okay, sorry, this is task set, task list at the place of task list, and when you print, then this is in the same order that you are writing. Methods to manage sets. Now let's talk about what you can do with sets. Add element, add something to the set. Remove element, remove something from the set. Contains, check if something is in the set or not. Is empty method, find out if the set is empty or not. Size, now how many things are in the set or size of the set. These are the basic method that we can use in sets. Choosing the right set. When to use which set? This is a question. Hash set when you want to things to be unique without worrying about order. Tree set if you want things sorted neatly. Linked hash set when you care about remembering the order of the things. So these are the use cases of the three things. Exploring sets. Lastly, let's talk about the exploring the sets. Imagine you have a collection of fruits. You can go through each fruit one by one, just like checking each fruit in your basket. Let's look at a code snippet to understand how to go through a set. Hash set string fruits is equal to new hash set. Hash set is created. Now we are adding some fruits in this fruit set. After that we are iterating a enhanced for loop. You can also use simple for loop. So string type of set, and fruit is variable name and fruits is our set name. So we can use simply this thing. We can use iterator also. Hash set string fruits is equal to new hash set. Set is created. Adding some values in our set apple, banana, orange, and creating a iterator. apply on the fruits. Iterator of the string, iterator is variable name, fruits.iterator, fruits is our set name. And while loop has next is a method till run if our set is contain elements, and we are using iterator.next to getting the all element one by one. That's all about today's video on sets and exploration of the hash set, tree set and linked hash set. You are now the power of the sets. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it to your fellow learners, and don't forget to subscribe for the more Java knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep coding, keep exploring, keep learning. Thanks for watching.